Hey friend, I am back with another DIY. This one is super fun. I found this amazing candle holder at my local thrift store for only $2. We are going to transform this into something beautiful. I can't wait. We're going to use this napkin, some Mod Podge and paint, and my favorite, some stickers to just make this piece over. So stay tuned and let's see how it turns out. All right, the first thing we're gonna do to make this handy dandy brown rustic candle holder into an updated trendy white and gold candle holder is paint it. I just grabbed this Waverly chalk paint in the color white from Walmart or Amazon and just kind of apply it with a chip brush. And a chip brush you can get just about anywhere. They're about 50 cents a piece, so they're easy to use and then throw away. I'm not being very particular about how the paint gets on this piece. It's literally just about covering the piece and getting it changed from brown to white. I wanted to get down in the little skinny wire parts as well as the center. So I just took the brush and painted through the center as best I could. I'm going to go ahead and speed up the drying process with the help of my heat gun. This is a Warrior heat gun. You also can get it off of Amazon. My links are below in the description. And this really helps it speed up the drying process. The next thing you're gonna do is take a really cute napkin. This is just a Mackenzie Childs napkin, and peel it back and separate the layers. I like this little trick of using a small piece of transparent tape in the corner and having it use that to pull back the liner. Once you get the first layer off, you're gonna wanna repeat it for the second layer, and then you're going to want to throw away the white pieces of tissue. I went ahead and cut out a smaller section of the napkin so that it was easier to deal with, and I'm going to apply it using some Mod Podge. Go ahead and apply a generous layer of Mod Podge all over the portion of the piece that you want to cover. Then I take my single liner piece of the napkin and start placing it over where I put the Mod Podge. Since it's a rounded piece, you're going to want to snip out the sides of the napkin in order to make it lay down. Went ahead and took my still wet paintbrush to help me get the napkin to lay down better. I'm going to trim it here at the base, again, to get a more smaller section to work with. And I just continue applying this napkin until I have the entire base covered. Again, snipping there wherever it needs help to lay down because it has a rounded shape. Now I'm going to apply these little fashion gems from Dollar Tree. I'm choosing the antiqued gold color because I think it's going to set off this piece a little better. Putting this right there in the middle of the little metal flower pieces, and I think it's going to make it look super unique and cute. Now I'm going to use this Gilder's Paste Wax in the color Gold. This is going to give the piece an amazing gold shimmer. I'm going to go ahead and apply it with my finger, makes it really quick and really easy. After I applied it to the base and all of the flowers and a little bit all over the wire pieces, I'm going to go ahead and apply it straight on top of my napkin that I decoupaged. This is going to give so much forgiveness in all the areas that didn't quite match up exactly perfectly. It also helps blend the entire piece to look like it was made to be one piece. And that is it. I'm going to add back in the glass vase. You can put flowers in this or a candle. I chose to add a candle, but this is a great piece now that I can use anywhere in my home. If you enjoyed this DIY as much as I did, I like to invite you to subscribe to my channel and follow along for more thrift flips, shopping hauls, and DIY tutorials.